For a long time, from many of you, our customers, our prospects, or people interested in our AccurioLabel presses, we've had the question of if we can print white with these machines. And until today, we have not been able to answer yes to that question.
Indeed, this is what people have been asking for since quite a while, and we never stopped looking into this topic because we see the demand in the market to be able to print white, especially and also with digital machines. So that's why about a year ago we introduced our Overprinting Kit, which in a nutshell allows you, using the pre-printed iMark and registration functionalities inside of the machine, to print, overprint on any pre-printed layout, for instance on a clear substrate, pre-printed white, with your CMYK image on the AccurioLabel press.
We do have a few installations already in the field with this sensor and they're running well. But let's face it, that was only part one of what it could be a complete solution. But let's give the words to our colleagues from GM. They will introduce us to a new concept, something that we've been working together for a while now. It's a new way of looking at hybrid technology, let's say. So let's see what they have to say.
The AccurioLabel Hybrid is made of 6 systems. You have the Unwinder, Web Guide, Flexo Printing Station, the UV Curing System, the Output Nib, and the Touch Control Panel. All you need to use the AccurioLabel Hybrid is the ink and the Flexo plates for your job, and then you're ready to go. Running the AccurioLabel 230 together with the AccurioLabel Hybrid, there's an easy registration adjustment for the overprint mode that can be used. The rest of the controls are used as normal from the AccurioLabel 230 control screen.
So friends, we hope that you get a good overview of this new AccurioLabel hybrid option. As you also have seen in all the demonstrations throughout that short little clip here, the ease of use is still there, as it was before with all the AccurioLabel presses.
For more information and details on the AccurioLabel hybrid, get in touch with your local Konica Minolta representative. They will be happy to talk to you and discuss together what kind of opportunities you can generate with this new option that we're offering to you. So, thank you for watching until now, and let's continue on this journey together.